Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a typing text effect on your how to animate the typing effect on your Instagram story like this. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a typing text effect on your Instagram story, or how to animate the text effect for like a typing, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I'm just going to add this image to my story. Then I'm just going to resize this and just going to the background, just going to change the background color to this option, just long press it and I just changed it this, and it will be look like a pink color, should be great here. Okay, so now I just going to choose the typing effect here. Okay, then just click on this. I just going to make a typing effect. So typing, so let's increase the size here, and you just want to select the second thing which you will have that effect. Now just want to turn on this particular option, which is the animate option. Just click this, which actually this is a blink effect, and this is the typing effect. You can see the typing also here. It's actually a fourth scale, and you just want to turn on this animation to look like it's typing. So you can see this is how you just create a typing text effect on your Instagram story. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.